Hi everyone, today we are going to crochet this coaster bear, white one, very nice, cute. And in the end of the video I will show you little trick, so stay and see more. So for today class we will use half acrylic and half wool yarn. It's 5 till 7 hook size. I will take 5.5 millimeter hook size. The size of yarn you can find on the label usually, or check online according to your marks. And we need to have needle for hiding tails and scissors. So let's get started. This slip knot for this I used to do like grab yarn here, pull it out over your thumb, took your hook like this, insert, and here. First stitch is done, so need to do 3 chain. This grab yarn, pull it through, grab yarn, pull through, grab yarn, pull through. 3 chain is ready. First one is not countable, so we are going to make first half double crochet in the first chain here. So grab yarn, put your hook inside first chain and here. Now need for doing half double crochet we need to pull yarn through 3 loop. Nice, and do it again. We need to do 10 half double crochet in this chain. So 2, 3, 4, and see you in the end of the round here. So you need to have 10 stitch. So to count, you can count by V on the top of your round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you need to go to the first one, slip knot it like this. Very nice. So for round 2 we need to do 2 chain, 1, 2, and first one we will do half double crochet in the first one. Okay, and 2 half double crochet in the second chain, in the second stitch, 1 and 2. So now you need to repeat pattern till the end of the round. Total you need to have 20 stitches on the second round. So 20, and we are going to slip stitch in the beginning of the previous round here. Again 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and half double crochet in the first one. Okay, and 2 half double crochet in the next one. One half double crochet in the next, and 2 here. So this pattern you need to repeat till the end of the round. So see you there. So in the end of the round you need to have 13 stitches and slip stitch here in the first one. So now in the next one here inside we are going to do 5 double crochet. It will form an ear for the bear. We are going to do bear, of course, and here 1, pull through, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now we are going to slip stitch in the next stitch here inside, like this. And our first ear is ready. Now we are going to do 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in the next one we are going to do again 5 double crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, very nice. 2 ears already ready, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch till the end of the round. We will see each other here, but not cut the yarn. I will show how to hide the tail invisible. So see you. Okay, very nice. And now we are here. Just pull yarn like this and cut a little bit more here. I will say like this, to insert in your needle. First of all, I go here inside to make it a little bit more secure, like this. Now insert your yarn into your needle here inside. Okay. Very nice. And we are going to hide the tail on the other side of our work. So I go inside of the stitches like this, not very far, but enough to hide the yarn, like this. Not pull it very strong, like this. Okay, and if you want, you can go further or leave it as it is. You can go a little bit more to show you how to do. Anyway, it should be enough. Okay, cut here. And the same way you can use for another tail as well to hide it here inside. Just go through your stitches. It could be a little bit tricky, but it's okay. So here we are. Nothing is seen on the other side, so here cut as well. And that's it. Here it's ready for the cup. And as I promised, I will show you another one, it's yarn little bit less, and if you will use hook less size, I mean 3-4 millimeters and the same yarn, you can make it for the smaller cup. So here we are. Hope you enjoyed tutorial. Subscribe and follow for more. See you. Bye.